Okay, this is just a quick demonstration of the AM4 packaging sort of brace that I fabbed for shipping these processors that I'm selling on eBay. Got a 1600X that I'm going to be putting on eBay, and this is the British, I think Brits Fabrication. I think that's the right name. They developed this AM4 holder, and that's what I base my design around. So it's not really a remix, it's kind of just additional stuff, but that goes in there. And so you'd print this separately, then that slides in there. An identical one, you just kind of sandwich in on top of that. Then you set it down in the center of this mailer, and you fold up the box around it. So break the corner tabs. Those are meant to fold in. You fold those in, fold these down. Then you fold this up, over, and down. And it fits perfectly in there with it sandwiched together. You can then seal it, and the overall box actually becomes more rigid as a result. So you got a core of plastic in the center so that if it gets hit, it's not going to damage any of the pins, and the holder that Brits Fabrication came up with protects it. And you could, this is a print made out of some PET G from 3DX Tech, but you could also do this in TPU if you wanted this to be a little bit more flexible. Another option is to actually tape this together with, say, some painter's tape or something that's easily broken. Same with this, you could put a little bit of masking tape over the end, so that when the main thing that you would do that for is so that if the person pulled this out really fast, they wouldn't accidentally slide this out and drop the processor. But that's the demo. Hope you like it.